Today we're making these gorgeous barbecue style chicken wings, but oven baked with just 4 ingredients and potentially even with just 3 ingredients. And this is my favorite way of whipping up some wings because it's so easy and I will always have these ingredients on hand and it's such a crowd pleaser. So let's do this. First up, the marinade. You are going to need equal amounts of light soya sauce, honey, and tomato ketchup. I'm also adding an optional dollop of dark sweet soy sauce, which is going to help this to brown even more, but it is totally optional, so if you don't add this, it will still taste amazing, and then you just need 3 ingredients. And that's it. Now give that a stir, get it all nice and mixed together. And then we're adding my chicken wings. Now I like to cut them up like this so that it marinates more evenly, but you can leave the wings and the drumettes intact, no issues at all. Make sure you coat the chicken really well with the marinade and give it all a nice soaking. And now we are going to be marinating this overnight. This is for the best results ever. I guess minimum you can leave it on for about 2 hours or something, but I really would recommend that you leave this overnight. It makes such a huge difference. The next day, and we have our chicken ready for the oven. Now preheat the oven first at 175 degrees Celsius or 345 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, lay your chicken onto the rack. You want to lay this the fatty skin side up, so not this side, okay? It's this other side for the wings. I'm using an oven rack here, but you can just lay it on the baking tray too. It's not a problem. You want to make sure you flip it halfway for a more even bake. And then we are popping this in the oven for about 15 minutes. We want to make sure we get a fully cooked chicken. 15 minutes later and we should get this. Now this is too pale for me, okay? So now I'm going to crank the heat up to 220 degrees Celsius, set it on broiler and pop it in for another 7 to 10 minutes depending on how charred you want your wings to get. And this is perfection to me. Done. How good does this look? You can eat it like that, of course, but I like to dip it in some spicy, tangy chili sauce. This is very Singaporean. Now my recipe for this chili sauce somewhere here. And there you go. This looks and tastes so good. And how easy with just 4 and maybe even just 3 ingredients. So I hope you give this a go and bye!